Today, this will put a smile on your face, marks the start of tax season, with the IRS beginning to accept returns, the most wonderful time of the year. That means now is the time to think about hiring a pro if you need help, and just know that not all tax preparers are created equal. Sharon Epperson joins us now with how to find the right person. So let's start with what questions to ask, and I assume the first one is not how big a refund can you get me?
No, that's probably what you really want to know, but the question to ask the tax preparer first is, what is your PTIN? That stands for Preparer Tax Identification Number. And if they're going to sign your return, they have to have that number. And you may wonder what your tax preparer's number has been. That's what that's for. The other thing you want to ask is about their credentials. And they could be an enrolled agent, an EA, or they could be a CPA, a certified public accountant. And understand that there is some difference in terms of the education they've had to have. And the IRS actually designates the EA, the CPA, you have to sit for an exam. And it is a wider scope of knowledge about things other than taxes as well. And then the last thing you need to ask is, are you going to be here all year? Because with the tax changes, there's so many things that may come up that you want to know about, and you probably need to do some year-end tax planning this year, even if you've never done it before, because of these changes.
It's also the time where scammers know that you're going to be filing a return, and they try and front-run that. What can you do about that, if anything at all? One
of the biggest things that they may say to you is, we're going to get you a bigger refund than anyone else. That's a claim you don't want to hear, and you should be really considering that a red flag. If they are trying to tie their fee to the percentage of your refund, that's another red flag. And then maybe the statement, well, just put your refund in my account and that'll cover your expenses, the fee that I'm going to charge you. Use that to cover. That's something you don't want to do.
And quickly, are there places I can go for free advice or help?
Go to irs.gov, look at Free File, and see if you're able to do that for free if you qualify by income. Their Free File program is an excellent way to go. The other thing is to look at some tax assistant programs that they have. The volunteer program, the VITA program, you can also find out about that, VITA, on their website. And AARP also has a tax prep service that they offer to the elderly.
I'm just going to take you with me. That's what I'm going to do. I'm taking Sharon with me.
All right. Sharon, thanks so much.
My pleasure. My pleasure.